In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add Cash App to your Wix website. First up, we will proceed by logging into your Wix account. Please ensure you have your login credentials at hand. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard of your site. The dashboard is the control center of your site where you can set up and manage all your website's functionalities. Next, we need to adjust the payment options for your site. On the left side of your screen, you should see a menu. Within this menu, browse through the options and select Settings. This will lead you to the general settings of your website, where you can configure various features. When you are in the settings, search for the option labeled Accept Payments and click on it. This action directs you to a page where you can manage all the payment preferences for your e-commerce website. From this stage, we'll start setting up manual payments. On this page, you should see an option labeled Manual Payments. Look for the Connect button next to it and click. This action will direct you to a page where you can make further configurations. At this point, you will be required to choose a title for the payment instructions. A drop-down menu is available for you to select from options like Cash Payment or Offline Payment. The title you select will be used to authenticate payment transactions on your website. Once you have selected a suitable title, proceed to the text box and enter clear instructions for your customers. These instructions should guide them on how to make payments on your website using Cash App. Crucially, you should include your cash tag, that is, your unique identifier that starts with a $sign, followed by your chosen username, for example, your username. Remember to include any other significant information your customers will need to complete the payment. After you have inputted the necessary information, click Connect one more time to save your settings. Always remember to click Connect after making any changes, as this ensures that your configurations are saved. Lastly, let's talk about your Wix site plan. In order to start accepting payments, your Wix site needs to be on a plan that supports payments. This might involve upgrading your current plan to a paid version if you have not done so already. Research the different plans available and select one that best suits your needs. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you should now be able to accept Cash App payments on your Wix website. Happy selling!